There's nothing worse than going out to your favorite detecting spot and seeing a minefield left behind by the other guys. So today we're going to talk about how to dig a plug. So I got a good signal here. Probably going to be clad knowing the area, but I'll pinpoint it. See, it's shallow. About 1.5 inches down. Now the method I'm going to show you is called the flap or hinge method, or barn door. There's all kinds of different names for it, but the basic idea behind it is that you leave part of the root system of the grass attached, so that when you're done retrieving your target and you cleaned up the area, you won't come back a month later and find that the grass has died because you've cut off the root system. So to do that, I think the target's right about here, so what I'm going to do is just cut a horseshoe shape. And you need a pretty good digger for this. Something with serrated edges is preferred, just because it cuts through like a knife through butter. So there I've got a horseshoe shape, all 3 sides. This is left here connected. So now I just pop the plug. And there it is. And it's a stinking Lincoln. Important thing is to make sure all the dirt's back in the hole. If I would have dug this deeper, I'd want to make sure that I put everything back where it goes. You just flop it over. Guys like Frankie will pound the dirt. If you don't want to do that, you can give it a step. Rake the grass to clear up any dirt. You can see where I dug blends in really nicely with the surrounding grass and the surrounding ground. It's nice and flush. There's no dirt clumps left. And when I come back, even a week later, I'm not going to be able to find where I dug. So that's just one way to retrieve a target. You could use a knife or a coin probe, whatever works. The main thing to remember is that when you leave the area, it's exactly as you found it. That'll keep it open for you and for future generations.